This 2008 Honda Odyssey is brought to you by Imports Auto Group LLC. XL Edition, 0.7 passenger. Leather interior, heated seats, DVD, rear camera. Power seats, water pump timing belt done. Premium wheels, all the major services done. Loaded engine and transmission in perfect running condition. Buy with confidence warranty available, best in class. Power sliding doors, keyless entry. Power windows, power doors. Must see it, nothing to hide, no Photoshop pictures. Carfax available on every vehicle. Call now or text 330-475-4817 for more pics and deals like this one. Please visit www.onlineautowarehous.com for the best deals for less on any minivans, Nissan Quest, Toyota Sienna, Chrysler Town and Amp Country, Dodge Grand Caravan. When we say best deals we mean it. Honda Odyssey, Honda Odyssey XL, Honda Minivan, Honda Odyssey XL, new power sliding doors, Honda van. Visit us at onlineautowarehous.com.